Assalamu alaikum. Right now, I will present my BIMGes website. I have already done almost like 80%, 80 to 90% of my website, and here is the path location as I have connected my website with my database, which is in XAMPP. So here you can see in HU docs. This is BIMGes. Okay, all right. So this is my website that I have built, and I used HTML, PHP, JavaScript, and CSS to complete the designing of the modules of my website. The front end and back end were also done with the same category. Here, if you want to see my code, I can show you each and every single code of mine that I have done. But for consuming the time, I will directly move on to the website directly. So in here, you can see, okay, localhost slash bimgs slash home.html. And okay, this is this is actually the home page, the way I designed the home page of my BIMGes website. So according to the template that you provided to us, Dr. Here you can see in the home page there will be five options, five submenus, which are product, news, support, about us, and user login or register. Okay, the same way I put it in here. There are navbar menus. Navbar, you can see at the top left corner there are five navbar icons, which are home, product, news, support, and about us. And the top right corner, here you can see the login and sign up system is inputted in here. And in here, the designing of the homepage I did like the same way as BIMGes PDF file did. This is the design module I used to make the template for the homepage of my website. Here at the bottom, here at the bottom, I have tried to design something different where you can see I have attached the main submenu of the products options. In here, the user can easily use the options according to the requirements, just like the same as the neighbor for the same products I created in here at the top left corner. Now let's move on to the neighbor menus. At first, let's go to the product. If you click on the product option, you can see here the BIMGes and the library. In the BIMGes, there are two options which are Revit add-in and Revit template. And in the library, there are wall families, window families, curtain panel, and lighting. So these product items are actually the most vital and most important. Here are two, and here you can see four. So there are six items actually which are the most vital of this website front page. So I put all these six things in here together so that the user can use this can be user friendly to the users, and they can directly get into the link according to the requirement or according to their choice. So now let's move on to the BIMGes Revit add-in option. If we click on the Revit add-in option, then here you can see a lot of add-in files which are added. A lot of add-in files which are added from directly from online. Which is there are many options actually. These things are taken directly from Autodesk. So say for example, if we click on PyRevit, is a Revit add-in file. If we click on PyRevit, then they will redirect you to the link of GitHub where you can download PyRevit installer directly from here. And the same way, if we, for example, you just click on color splasher, this is another Revit file that I found from online. You can also download it from here, which is from Autodesk App Store. Uh, According to the requirement, you can directly download from here. Now let's move on to the libraries. Here are four libraries actually, which are wall families, window families, curtain panel, and lighting. Here you can see if you click on the wall families, here are some walls. Here are many sort of wall families I have put in here. You can see the sidebar menu is also menu option is also I attached in my with the JS and PHP in my coding. So here you can see the wall families in here. The same way, say for example, if you click on the curtain panel, here many sort of curtain panels will arrive. And for example, if you click on the curtain panel in here, you just choose this curtain panel. If you click on it, and and uh, and this one will directly redirect you to to another link where you can buy or you can use or you can describe or you can you can like just analyze this sort of content panel or whichever you want to choose. Now let's move on to the news option. Here, Doctor, here actually one thing I still need some idea about news option. Like you also know that like BIMGes is totally a new system designing which is being created by us. And in this project, we don't even know actually the news and what to publish and what to add in here. So as this is totally a new website, so the news for the news option, I will have to wait for later maybe, or if I can gather some idea from you, then I must create the page. So far as for now, if we click on the news, the page will arrive, but it will be blank. So I will have to create it according to your ideas that you provide. Now let's move on to the support option. If we click on the support option, the same thing actually catches my mind, which is like the user guide. I still need some. I know the user guide option is very easy, but still I need some idea what to put or what to write in the user guide. So but still I have done a module in user guide where you can see I put the introduction and some lorem ipsum words, the installation of our APIs, the APIs here in the APIs option, the APIs that we used during the project, which is Revit, Dynamo, .NET Reflector, and many more. And here the integration, the utilities, the webs, the website and related platforms with BIMGes, the contact info. Here will be the contact info, the mobile numbers. Here is the resources that can help the user to find a vast idea about the MGS, and here is the keywords. So, based on your idea, or based on your requirements, or based on the developers' utilities, they can remove or add many more things in here. But I have put one more thing in here, which is the home option. If you click on the home option, then it will directly move you onto the home page again. Here's another thing, demo video. As Doctor, you told me to put a demo video of our BIMGS system, but Doctor, I have searched a lot about the BIMGS online, but there is nothing about it. And so, but there are some videos actually about Beam and BIM and green building evaluation system. So here I put a demo video. If you click on the demo video option, then it will redirect you to the demo video. Here you can see we can play the video. I have put a beautiful video in here, which is what is BEAM,
These
Building
days,
Information
a growing number of
Modeling.
architects and
So you can see
class
the video is
qualified
being
BIM
played whenever you
professionals so
click
they
it.
can more efficiently
This is
design, build,
actually
and
the
operate
video,
the power of
the
BIM.
demo video that I chose.
The data
Or
visualizations
or else we can put
convey
some
design
other
intent to the
videos or
field.
develop it with many more
And,
layers.
most importantly,
Now here is the about us option. In here you can see two options, which are profile and about us. These two things are really easy. Just need some minutes to create it, but I need the infos about the contact info, whose contact info should be put in here and whose profile should be in here. I just need some ideas about this. Then I can create it really nicely. Alright, doctor. And here is one more thing that I have forgot to show you. Like here in the bottom left corner, I have put the social site links of our website, which is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. But as far as I know, in fact, I don't have any idea about whether there is any Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn links online official links for BIMGS. So I just put the neighbor icons in here, but I haven't linked it yet. So in near future, if we create any Facebook profile, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn ID, then we can attach in here. Just to beautify this thing, just to make these things beautiful, I put this things here. And here is my name. I just put it in here. Now let's move on to the most important part of my website, which took me a lot of time, doctor, which is the login and sign up info. So here, from here, in your website template, doctor, we can see we had to create I had to create three user login or registration options, which are designer, manufacturer, and admin. And I have done this three actually, which are the login. Here you can see at first the user will sign up, right? So let's say for example the name is Mr. Lim and the email is like Lim 123 gmail.com. So let's say the password 123456 123456 and say for example the user is a designer and if we register, oh username already exists, I already tried it with the name previously, so okay, let's say it's Shahriar gmail.com. The password is 123456. For example, I'm a manufacturer. If we register, then yeah, the profile will be in here, and then the logout button will come. So after I log out, then I can then if I want to sign up again, for example, I am putting the same name. It's Shahriar. The email is shahriar@gmail.com. The password is 123456. 123456. And say for example, yeah, now I cannot sign up again because username already exists, email already exists, that is already exist in the database. So the same person with the same username, email address, password, and same type of account type, they cannot register it. Now after signing up, I can log in. I can log in. So say for example, Mr. Lim who only logged in previously, and the password is 13456. Okay, now he's logged in. So here is the profile. You can log out again. So that's it actually about the website so far. I am still like updating it, still modifying it. Okay. Now the one last thing I want to show you as for now, which is the database that I have connected here in XAMPP. You can see my database in MySQL and Apache is already running, so that's why I could show you the login and sign up info with three different users in here. So this is my database actually. Right, doctor. So this is my website, the design of my website so far. I'm still working on it. I'm still recreating it. I'm still like developing it. And soon, inshallah, I'm gonna show you the rest of the parts as well and the complete website. Thank you so much.